Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best dog grooming clippers for poodles and other thick-coated breeds. The oneisall dog grooming kit. If you've been searching for a reliable, quiet, and efficient grooming solution for your furry friend, this kit might just be what you need. Right off the bat, this grooming kit is designed specifically for dogs with heavy, thick hair and coats, making it perfect for poodles, shih tzus, golden retrievers, and more. The oneisall clippers feature stainless steel blades paired with a powerful 6,800 revolutions per minute motor. This combination allows you to trim through even the most stubborn mats and dense fur with ease, saving you time and effort during grooming sessions. One of the standout features of this grooming kit is its cordless design. The rechargeable battery offers an impressive 240 minutes of continuous use on a full charge. Enough to groom multiple dogs in one session without worrying about cords or being tethered to an outlet. This makes it extremely convenient whether you're grooming indoors or outdoors. Another important aspect for pet owners is noise level. These clippers operate at less than 55 decibels, which is incredibly quiet compared to many other grooming tools on the market. This low noise means your pet is less likely to feel scared or stressed, making the grooming process smoother and more comfortable for both of you. The kit includes 6 different sizes of guide combs, allowing you to customize the length of your pet's hair to suit their style and needs. Whether you want a close shave or a longer trim, you have plenty of options at your fingertips. Plus, it comes with a specialized paw trimmer designed for sensitive areas like paws, ears, and around the mouth. This trimmer has 2 interchangeable heads to ensure safety and precision when working on these delicate spots. Durability and ease of maintenance are also key. This grooming kit boasts an IPX7 waterproof rating, so you can easily wash the clipper under running water after use. The stainless steel blades stay sharp and can be cleaned quickly with the included brush, helping maintain peak performance and hygiene. Portability is another bonus, with a locking function that protects the clipper during transport. Whether you're heading to the groomer, traveling, or simply storing it safely at home, you won't have to worry about damage from bumps or drops. In terms of size and weight, the oneisall grooming kit is compact and lightweight, making it comfortable to hold for extended grooming sessions without causing hand fatigue. Its sleek silver and black design also gives it a professional and modern look. To sum it up, if you're looking for a versatile, quiet, cordless grooming tool that can handle thick, heavy coats, the oneisall dog grooming kit is an excellent choice. It offers long battery life, multiple comb sizes, specialized trimmers, and easy maintenance, all designed to make your pet grooming routine efficient and stress-free. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. Thanks for watching, and happy grooming!